morning, everyone. Linda could not do the Wednesday Walkabout this morning, so I'm here to do it. And I brought my little friend. Everyone, this is Rue. We call her Boo Boo. Don't we, Boo Boo? Yeah. All right, Boo Boo, you don't have to stay anymore. You can go run around the yard. I'm gonna just kind of give you guys a look at the backyard today with Boo Boo. I think she wants to go in. There's the uglies again. It's looking pretty good, considering it's 1,000,000 degrees. Well, not at the moment, but it will be. Come on, Boo Boo, I want you running through the frame. She's not listening. She's not having it. There you go. I'm gonna trip over you. There's the bistro. Just poured water out of the bird bath because it had gotten a little mosquito-y. I don't know how you balance a bird bath for birds and mosquitoes. Maybe that's the question of the day. You want to love the birds and give them water, but you also don't want the mosquitoes. There's my girl. She's loving it. And here is the long view. Let's see if we can get it framed nicely without tripping. Yeah, that's not so bad. There's the plant she went with. Kind of looks like a 80s rock hairband hairdo. You know, pretty wild. Boxwoods are looking good. because I guess they're gone. These guys are drying out, turning red. Here's a better example. You know, maybe in the future when I do one of these again, I'll be a little more prepared with some stuff to say. But I hope you guys enjoy just the noises of nature. The delicious audio of Linda's backyard. There's that spot that still kind of looks like Bigfoot stepped on it. But it's filled in pretty good too. Ooh, there's some color, some white. Still holding on. Everybody getting restless? This is Boo Boo's first time to Linda's. She's only seen her on TV. So she's pretty excited to be on set. Oh, please don't pee or poop on camera. All the potted stuff. Boston Ivy, if I'm not mistaken. You can kind of start that game again. Oh, and by the way, everybody said a lot of nice stuff the last time I did this, and I really appreciate it. I think all of us like Linda being here. But I appreciate all the kind words. Geraniums, right? Ooh, the new tarp. Not a tarp. The new sunshade, new shading thing. It's called something. I'm not remembering. We will get to that more in a second. Last year, this viburnum kind of got tricked by the weather into budding out once in a time. I think it doesn't normally do. Wish I had Linda here to confirm what I'm saying, but it did some weird stuff. Still going strong. Still my favorite. This lovely sitting area. I think I might have missed a couple things over here. Make sure you guys get the whole picture. This guy. Such a nice shape. How's it going, Boo? Oh, and some people may ask, Boo Boo is a mix, primarily chow. Some of you who know chows might have noticed some of the facial similarities, but she has the purple tongue, and I've done her DNA. So it's kind of like mostly chow. I don't remember the other ones. You know, they're not looking great, but they're still colorful. These guys, on the other hand, are not doing too bad. Oh, come on, focus. All right. We're gonna turn and reveal the potager. It's looking pretty this morning. Oh, first mosquito. There we go. All the, I almost called them sunflowers, and they're not. There she is. I love that dog. Alright, I'm gonna ignore the mosquitoes for you guys, and we're gonna go into this beautiful yet mosquito-filled area. Oh, that's a bee. Hey, buddy. It's weird, I don't mind bees. Mosquitoes is a different story. So there's the shade. She's got it on 4 posts. I'll show you one here. It's concrete. Obviously top dressed in Linda style. I think that's the deal going on there. Up to hooks on top. And it actually creates a very, very good shade over all this loveliness. It's hard to block that sun, so I'll try to get it a better angle. Tomatoes. None on there yet, it looks like. Sometimes I'm gonna cut away to the beautiful girl. Again, be good on camera. Boo Boo, say hi. From the top angle is any different, but we'll show you. Now we got the bench, and I'll go down the other side, and then we'll probably be good. What do you guys think? Cool spot. Had to scratch a mosquito bite. Just had to happen. Had to happen. This is the stuff on this side. Boo-Boo's going places I haven't even been in this garden. Finding all the cool stuff. There's the cool birdhouse. Oh, she just laid down in the shade, didn't she? Oh, she's not moving around. Okay, so all this stuff is in some interesting light. Maybe you can see it. Everything is growing pretty well. This stuff must like the heat more than I do. All right, guys, it's a pretty good tour. I hope you enjoyed the silence, and I hope you enjoyed the little bit that I discussed. Boo-Boo, you ready to get out of here? You want to say bye to everybody? Boo-Boo. She is not hearing me right now. All right, well, on that note, guys, I'm gonna leave you with Boo-Boo wandering through the garden. And I hope you guys have a great day. And we'll leave you on this note. Boo-Boo, sit, Boo-Boo, sit.